Dear students, welcome to NIOS class. My name is Rukvendra from Admission Support Team of NIOS class. This is India's premium quality education center. Today, I want to update you that the notification regarding NIOS examination is scheduled to be held on 6th November 2025 will not be conducted throughout India. I am going to share my screen for you to see the notification. So you can check on my screen. In view of the Bihar Assembly Elections, administrative and logistics regions, the NIOS examination scheduled to be conducted on 6th November 2025 will not be conducted throughout India. So you can check here subject names are physics, history, environmental science, and library and information science in 12th and painting in 10th. The new dates of examination in respect of these subjects will be intimated shortly. The examination in centers abroad will be conducted as per schedule. So this was for the notification information. If you need any kind of help, we will help you out. We are providing one of the best coaching classes, especially in NIOS curriculums. We deliver 100% results for coaching classes. We also help in TMA solutions, practical guidance, and notes. You can call us at 8741880770 for free demo class. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe for more updates.